Welcome to MX7, a professional multi-market trading tool built for NinjaTrader 8. MX7 is designed to make monitoring, analyzing, backtesting, and managing multiple markets from one workspace easier and more efficient.
By long setup forming. RTY long setup forming. CL short momentum weakening. And Q short setup forming. And Q short setup forming. GC short signal confirmed. GC short entry filled. YM long signal confirmed. YM long entry filled. ES long momentum weakening. And Q short setup forming. And Q short setup forming. And Q short setup forming. GC short momentum weakening. And Q short setup forming. And Q short setup forming. ES long exit confirmed. GC short exit confirmed. CL short signal confirmed. CL short momentum weakening. ES short setup forming. GC short setup forming. GC short setup forming. RTY short setup forming. RTY short setup forming. RTY short setup forming. And Q short setup forming. RTY short setup forming. RTY short setup forming. RTY short setup forming. CL short momentum weakening. YM long exit confirmed. YM short setup forming. YM short setup forming. CL short momentum weakening. YM short setup forming. RTY short setup forming. And Q long setup forming. CL short exit confirmed. CL short setup forming. RTY short signal confirmed. RTY short entry filled. RTY short momentum weakening. GC short setup forming. CL short setup forming. GC long setup forming. CL short setup forming. CL short setup forming. RTY short momentum weakening. RTY short momentum weakening. GC long setup forming. CL short signal confirmed. CL short entry filled. YM short setup forming. GC long setup forming. CL short momentum weakening. YM short setup forming. GC long setup forming. YM short setup forming. ES short setup forming. ES short setup forming. And Q short setup forming. And Q short setup forming. CL short momentum weakening. ES short setup forming. And Q short setup forming. ES short setup forming. And Q short setup forming. GC long setup forming. RTY short momentum weakening. YM short setup forming. YM short signal confirmed. YM short entry filled. CL short exit confirmed. CL short setup forming. YM short momentum weakening. And Q short setup forming. CL short setup forming. CL short setup forming. and Q short setup forming, and Q short setup forming, YM short signal confirmed, ES short setup forming, RTY short signal confirmed, YM short momentum weakening, YM target 2 filled, YM short momentum weakening, CL short setup forming, CL short setup forming, GC long setup forming, GC long setup forming, GC long setup forming, GC long setup forming, YM short exit confirmed, YM short setup forming, CL long setup forming, CL long setup forming, and Q short setup forming, and Q short setup forming, GC short setup forming, GC short setup forming, and Q short setup forming, and Q short setup forming, RTY short signal confirmed, CL long setup forming, YM short setup forming, ES short setup forming, ES short setup forming, and Q short setup forming, and Q short setup forming, and Q short setup forming, YM short setup forming, and Q short setup forming, CL long setup forming, RTY short signal confirmed, and Q short setup forming, GC long setup forming, and Q short setup forming, YM short setup forming, ES short setup forming, ES short setup forming, ES long setup forming, YM long setup forming, and Q long setup forming, and Q long setup forming, YM short setup forming, and Q long setup forming, YM long setup forming, and Q long setup forming, and Q long setup forming.